Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the activity history settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Privacy and Security button at the left side of the screen to show the privacy and security settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Activity History button to the right to show the Activity History privacy settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To enable or disable storing activity history on your device, check or uncheck the Store My Activity History on this device checkbox. To clear your activity history, click the Clear button under the Clear Activity History setting. Then click OK. If using a Microsoft account, to sign into your account to manage your online Microsoft account activity data, click the Manage My Microsoft Account Activity Data link to open the Sign In page in a new web browser window. After signing in, you can then change your online Microsoft account privacy settings as desired, and then sign out if desired and close the browser window. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.